In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change video size in DaVinci Resolve. To get started, open your project and head over to the Deliver page. This is the section in DaVinci Resolve where you prepare your video for export, and it's also where you can control settings that directly affect the final size of your video file. Once you're on the Deliver page, look for the Video section. This is where you'll find the main export options that determine both the visual output and the overall file size. One of the first settings you can edit here is the resolution. Changing the resolution affects the dimensions of your video, so if you export in a lower resolution, your file size will usually be smaller. If you export in a higher resolution, the file size will typically increase because more visual information is being saved. You can also adjust the frame rate in this same area. The frame rate controls how many frames are shown per second in your exported video. Higher frame rates can create smoother motion, but they may also increase the file size. Lower frame rates can help reduce the size depending on your export needs. It's a good idea to make sure the frame rate you choose matches the look you want and fits the platform where the video will be uploaded. Another important setting here is quality. This can have a major impact on file size because it controls how much data is used to preserve image detail. Higher quality usually means a larger file, while lower quality can make the file more manageable and easier to upload or share. If you're trying to balance quality and size, this is one of the most useful settings to review carefully. In addition to resolution, frame rate, and quality, this section includes more export controls that can also influence the final file size of your video. So if your goal is to make the video smaller, easier to send, or better suited for a specific platform, the Deliver page is where you make those adjustments. After updating the settings you want, review everything one more time before exporting. Small changes in these options can make a big difference in the final result, so it's worth checking them carefully, and that's how to change video size in DaVinci Resolve.